Lesson 6 begins with the element physio. Physio could suggest physics book. Physio, physics book. Physio means nature. So as you look at this physics book, see a nature boy streaking out of it. Physio, physics book. Nature boy, nature. Say it 2 times. Physio, physics book. Nature boy, nature. Physio, physics book. Nature boy, nature. Next, the element bucko. Bucko sounds like bucket. Bucko, bucket. Bucko means cheek. As you look at this bucket, see real cheeks on it. Can you believe it? A bucket with real cheeks. Bucko, bucket, cheek. 2 times. Bucko, bucket, cheek. Bucko, bucket, cheek. Next, palpeber. Palpeber sounds a little like pile of people. Here we see a pile of people. Palpeber, pile of people. Palpeber means eyelid. So as you look at this pile of people, see all of them with gigantic eyelids. A pile of people with gigantic eyelids. Palpeber, pile of people, eyelid. 2 times. Palpeber, pile of people, eyelid. Palpeber, pile of people, eyelid. Next, Pelagia. Pelagia sounds a little like play show, and here we see a play show. Pelagia, play show. Pelagia means development. As you look at this image of Pelagia, see it developing film. Pelagia, play show, developing film, development. Say it twice. Pelagia, play show, developing film, development. Pelagia, play show, developing film, development. Now, the element rug. Rug sounds a little like rug. Rug, rug. Rug means wrinkle, fold, or crease. So as you look at this rug, see it wrinkled, folded, and creased. Rug, rug. Wrinkle, fold, crease. 2 times. Rug, rug. Wrinkle, fold, crease. Rug, rug. Wrinkle, fold, crease. Now let's review these 5 elements. Physio, physics book, nature boy, nature. Bucko, bucket, cheek. Palpeber, pile of people, eyelid. Pelagia, play show, developing film, development. Rug, rug, wrinkle, fold, crease.
The next element is R. R sounds like R, the letter R. R, R. R means ear. So as you look at the letter R, see an ear on it. Imagine an R with an ear on it. R, R, ear. Say it twice. R, R, ear. R, R, ear. Acoustic sounds like acoustic. Acoustic, acoustic. Acoustic means hearing. As you look at this image of acoustic, it has a hearing aid on it. Acoustic, acoustic, hearing aid, hearing. Twice together. Acoustic, acoustic, hearing aid, hearing. Acoustic, acoustic, hearing aid, hearing. Next, colpo. Colpo sounds a little like cold bow. This would really be a cold bow, wouldn't it? Culpo, cold bow. Culpo means hollow or vagina. As you look at the cold bow, it is hollow and it has Virginia hams inside it. This image of the cold bow being hollow with Virginia hams in it will remind you of hollow or vagina. Culpo, cold bow, hollow Virginia hams, hollow vagina. 2 times. Culpo, cold bow, hollow Virginia hams, hollow vagina. Culpo, cold bow, hollow Virginia hams, hollow vagina. Next, phone. Phone sounds like phone. Phone, phone. Phone means voice or sound, so we'll change the phone to look like this. The phone has a voice and sound coming out of it, even though no one is using it. Phone, phone, voice, sound, voice, sound. 2 times. Phone, phone, voice, sound, voice, sound. Phone, phone, voice, sound, voice, sound. Next, Leo. Leo could suggest lay. Leo, lay. Leo means smooth, so we'll change the lay to look like this. The lay has no flowers. It is smooth. Leo, lay, smooth. Say it twice. Leo, lay, smooth. Leo, lay, smooth. Time to review. R, ear. Acoustic, acoustic, hearing aid, hearing. Culpo, cold bow, hollow Virginia hams, hollow vagina. Phone, phone, voice, sound, voice, sound. Leo, lay, smooth.
The next element is core. Core sounds like core, and we can use this image of an apple core. Core, core. Core means heart. As you look at the core, all of a sudden, it has a heart inside it. Imagine a core with a heart inside it. Core, core, heart. 2 times. Core, core, heart. Core, core, heart. Next, reen. Reen sounds a little like rain. Reen, rain. Reen means kidney. So as you look at this image of rain, see it raining kids on their knees. This image of kids on their knees will remind you of kidney. Reen, rain, kids on their knees, kidney. 2 times. Reen, rain, kids on their knees, kidney. Reen, rain, kids on their knees, kidney. Now, the element orky. Orky sounds like orchid. Orky, orchid. Orky means testes, one of the 2 male reproductive organs. To remember this, see the orchid with tests stuck in it. Orky, orchid, tests, testes. 2 times. Orky, orchid, tests, testes. Orky, orchid, tests, testes. Next, encephal. Encephal sounds like hen sieve fall. Here we see the image of the hen and the sieve falling. Encephal, hen, sieve, fall. Encephal means brain. As you look at this image of hen, sieve, fall, see the hen with a brain instead of a head. Encephal, hen, sieve, fall, brain. Twice together. Encephal, hen, sieve, fall, brain. Encephal, hen, sieve, fall, brain. Here you probably remember cephal, sieve, fall, head. Cephal means head. Encephal means brain. The prefix en, en, means inside or within. The brain lies inside the head or within the cranial cavity. Next, thalum. Thalum sounds a little like the lamb. Here we see the lamb. Thalum, the lamb. Thalum means inner chamber. As you look at the lamb, see it as the winner of a Chamber of Commerce contest. The words winner and chamber will remind you of inner chamber. Thalum, the lamb, winner, chamber, inner chamber. Say this twice. Thalum, the lamb, winner, chamber, inner chamber. Thalum, the lamb, winner, chamber, inner chamber. Let's review. Core, core, heart. Reen, rain, kids on their knees, kidney. Orchie, orchid, tests, testes. Encephal, hen, sieve, fall, brain. Thalum, the lamb, winner, chamber, inner chamber.
The next element is plexus. Plexus suggests plexiglass. Plexus, plexiglass. Plexus means braid. So as you look at this image of plexiglass, see gigantic braids coming out of it. Plexus, plexiglass, braid. Say it 2 times. Plexus, plexiglass, braid. Plexus, plexiglass, braid. Now, the element cilia. Cilia sounds like ceiling. Cilia, ceiling. Cilia means eyelash. As you look at the ceiling, see huge eyelashes all over it. Can you imagine a ceiling with eyelashes all over it? Cilia, ceiling, eyelash. 2 times. Cilia, ceiling, eyelash. Cilia, ceiling, eyelash. The element dender sounds like dendor. Dender, dendor. Dender means tree or branching, so we'll change the dendor to look like this. The dendor has a tree with many branches growing around it. This image of the dendor with the tree and branches will remind you that dender means tree or branching. Dender, dendor, tree, branches, tree, branching. 2 times together. Dender, dendor, tree, branches, tree, branching. Dender, dendor, tree, branches, tree, branching. Now the element phleb. Phleb could suggest flip, as in flip chart. Phleb, flip chart. Phleb means vein. So as you look at the flip chart, see it covered with veins. Phleb, flip chart, vein. Say it twice. Phleb, flip chart, vein. Phleb, flip chart, vein. Next, pilo. Pilo sounds a little like pile on, to pile something on. Here we see a man piling something on another man's head. Pilo, pile on. Pilo means hair, so you might guess what this image is going to look like. He's piling hair on the other man's head. Pilo, pile on, hair. Say it twice. Pilo, pile on, hair. Pilo, pile on, hair. Time to review. Plexus, plexiglass, braid. Cilia, ceiling, eyelash. Dender, dendor, tree, branches, tree, branching. Fleb, flip chart, vein. Pilo, pile on, hair.
And now the last 5 elements of this lesson. Histo sounds like his toe. Here we see his toe. Histo, his toe. Histo means tissue. So let's change this image of his toe to look like this. His toe has tissues coming out of it. Can you believe it? Histo, his toe, tissues, tissue. Say it twice. Histo, his toe, tissues, tissue. Histo, his toe, tissues, tissue. Next, stoma. Stoma sounds a little like stone. Stoma, stone. Stoma means mouth. So as you look at the stone, see a huge mouth on it. Stoma, stone, mouth. 2 times together. Stoma, stone, mouth. Stoma, stone, mouth. Next, timpan. Timpan sounds a lot like tin pan. Here we see a tin pan. Timpan, tin pan. Timpan means eardrum. As you look at the tin pan, see an ear with a drum in it. When you think of the tin pan, it will remind you of this ear with a drum, and you will remember that timpan means eardrum. Timpan, tin pan, ear, drum, eardrum. Say it twice. Timpan, tin pan, ear, drum, eardrum. Timpan, tin pan, ear, drum, eardrum. Next, the element umbilic. We really have to stretch for this one. Umbilic sounds a little like a bill lick. Umbilic, a bill lick. Umbilic means navel. So as you look at this image of a bill lick, see a naval officer coming out of it. Umbilic, a bill lick, naval officer, naval. 2 times together. Umbilic, a bill lick, naval officer, naval. Umbilic, a bill lick, naval officer, naval. Now, the last element in this lesson. Salpingo. Salpingo sounds a little like Sally Bingo. Sally is playing bingo. Salpingo, Sally Bingo. Salpingo means tube. As you look at this image of Sally Bingo, she is sitting in an inner tube. The inner tube will remind you of tube. Salpingo, Sally Bingo, inner tube, tube. Say it twice. Salpingo, Sally Bingo, inner tube, tube. Salpingo, Sally Bingo, inner tube, tube. Let's review these last 5 elements. Histo, his toe, tissues, tissue. Stoma, stone, mouth. Timpan, tin pan, ear, drum, eardrum. Umbilic, a bill lick, naval officer, naval. Salpingo, Sally Bingo, inner tube, tube.
Now we'll review the 25 elements of this lesson.
Physio, physics book, nature boy, nature. Bucko, bucket, cheek. Palpeber, pile of people, eyelid. Plasia, play show, developing film, development. Roug, rug, wrinkle, fold, crease.
R, ear. Acoustic, acoustic. Hearing aid, hearing. Culpo, cold bow. Hollow Virginia hams, hollow vagina. Phone, phone. Voice, sound, voice, sound. Layo, lay, smooth.
Core, core, heart. Reen, rain, kids on their knees, kidney. Orky, orchid, tests, testes. Encephal, hen, sieve, fall, brain. Thalum, the lamb, winner, chamber, inner chamber.
Plexus, plexiglass, braid. Cilia, ceiling, eyelash. Dender, dendor, tree, branches, tree, branching. Phleb, flip chart, vein. Pilo, pylon, hair.
Histo, his toe, tissues, tissue. Stoma, stone, mouth. Timpan, tin pan, ear, drum, eardrum. Umbilic, a bill lick, naval officer, naval. Salpingo, Sally Bingo, inner tube, tube.
And last, without the pictures. Remember to mentally picture each audionym and its association. Also, use the additional step if necessary.
Physio, physics book, nature boy, nature. Bucko, bucket, cheek. Palpeber, pile of people, eyelid. Plasia, play show, developing film, development. Roug, rug, wrinkle, fold, crease.
R, ear. Acoustic, acoustic, hearing aid, hearing. Culpo, cold bow, hollow Virginia hams, hollow vagina. Phone, phone, voice, sound, voice, sound. Layo, lay, smooth.
Core, core, heart. Reen, rain, kids on their knees, kidney. Orky, orchid, tests, testes. Encephal, hen sieve fall, brain. Thalum, the lamb, winner, chamber, inner chamber.
Plexus, plexiglass, braid. Cilia, ceiling, eyelash. Dender, den door, tree, branches, tree, branching. Fleb, flip chart, vein. Pilo, pylon, hair.
Histo, his toe, tissues, tissue. Stoma, stone, mouth. Timpan, tin pan, ear, drum, eardrum. Umbilic, a billic, naval officer, navel. Salpingo, Sally Bingo, inner tube, tube.
This ends the instructional presentation for Lesson 6. Please turn to your learning guide and complete the review and written exercises for this lesson.